everybody, and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am out here in the garden working on a project. Ooh, that sun. I am hot and sweaty because the sun is blessing me today. And I want to show you what I've been working on. So let's go in the garden. Over here in the area where my shed is going to go, as you can see, I am still stacking boxes because I have more projects yet to do. While I wait on those, I have this box right here that I have been working on for 2 days because it has been raining. As you can see, there's wet spots on the box. Today is the first day that it's not raining. I wanted to see if any of the pieces were dry, so let me show you what I'm working on. It comes in this aluminum color right here, and I decided after looking at some greenhouses online, they come in a couple of different colors, black, green, and white, and I decided I was going to spray paint the aluminum and make it black. So I've been out here for a couple of days trying to spray paint these aluminum pieces, and when I'm finished, I'll show you the finished product of me spray painting everything, and then I'll show you the steps I'm taking to erect the greenhouse. So this is going to be a multi-part video, so stay tuned. The greenhouse frame has been put together, so now it is time to build it out. I've laid out the pieces that I need to affix to the frame, the base of the greenhouse. I have leveled out the interior ground. I have placed a central floor, which is just wood. I put cardboard up under it. I'm going to put wood chip along this side where the cardboard is exposed, as well as over there where the cardboard is exposed, and on either end, as you can see here, I'll be laying down cardboard as well, along with moving the wood chips over to cover all of this area. I went a step further, and I will be fixing this afternoon. I went a step further and I ran a drip irrigation line. So if I need to put a mister inside of the greenhouse, I have access to do that here, as well as access to do that in the temporary greenhouse. I did accidentally get a hole in the frost blanket in that greenhouse, but that's easily fixed. I just need to pull it down and tuck it up under the base of that. I'll be taking that down and readjusting it soon. But the greenhouse is underway, and so I'm going to finish off the floor, getting the wood chip in, and begin to affix the base and start building. As you can see here, all the pieces have been spray painted, and they have, of course, have been laying out in the sun, so they have a little bit of damage from moving, as well as all the rain and the sun, but everything has been spray painted, and I'm okay with the dents and dings that have happened while they were moved and while they've been sitting here in the rain. But soon I will have this greenhouse up, so I just wanted to show you step by step of what is going on, and the greenhouse is underway. Here is the greenhouse coming together. I put the floor in. I have the base put together. It is level and it is square. I just did a little bit of movement just to move it down a little bit this way. I felt like I needed to shift it just a little bit more. I'm going to square it off one more time and check the leveling again. And I'm going to readjust the interior. I've already laid down the floor. As I mentioned, I put in a irrigation tubing. I am going to center that. Right now it's not centered because I did just shift it. And then I will begin to affix the base of the greenhouse, and I will begin to build. So this is where we are right now.